me and my underarms with this. No. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, what I'm going to share with you is on how to whiten your face using a whitening soap. And for the soap that I'm going to share with you guys, none other than Kojie San. It's the #1 soap here in the Philippines. So in today's video guys, I'm going to share with you my thoughts and opinion about skin whitening. Just a disclaimer, I'm not trying to tell you about not loving your natural skin tone, but what I am just trying to tell you is about using the soap. I wasn't really thinking about whitening my face using Kojie San. My purpose was just because the soap, yung hiyang ka ba? Hiyang sa akin, and very mura siya, so cheaper. Because most of the time, I am just stayed at home, and to save some money, and I find alternative of using products, and for me, look at that. Diba? Very cheap. You can take 30 pesos for a set of these, right? 150 pesos, right? So it's very affordable. Here in the Philippines, you can just grab it anywhere: supermarket, mall, pharmacy, stalls, sari-sari store. Yes, Kojie San is everywhere here. How effective it is for me. For my body, it took a little while because I am a morena, so I am not trying to be fair. I just want a little bit of a skin improvement, at least 1 or 2 lighter shades, and that's it. I'm happy with that. Different from others. If you want to be fair as a snow, yes, go ahead if that's what makes you happy, but for me, I just want a skin that is even. That's all I wanted. Does the soap helps with that? Yes. Am I happy with it? Yes. I have been using it for years, so all I can say is this is an honest opinion. Regardless, it's been sent to me by Flawless Beauty International. Does this product works? Yes. In the beginning, I was only using it for my underarms, yes, and it does have improvement, but I stay away with it because butter oil wise, my body doesn't really appreciate it. Me and my underarms with this, not only Kojie San, all bar soap. So stay away from bar soap for my underarms. Okay, only liquid here. Very sensitive. My underarms is very picky on it. For my past video about using Kojie San for my underarms, I'm sorry guys to tell you I stopped using it down here because it's just not working for me otherwise. Okay, so that's my opinion on it. But for body wise, yes, in the beginning of using it, like 1 week or 2 weeks, there's micro peeling. I see exfoliation on the skin, so you can see like your body, your skin is peeling off. Yes, and so when things like that happens, your skin is more like on the drier side. So what you can do is, of course, you have to apply moisturizer. Okay, moisturizer, it helps to eliminate the dryness, making it soft and bring back the moisture of the skin. Since this is a whitening soap, use a skin whitening lotion to balance it out, right? So if you want to go outside, you're gonna be protected. As well as also number one, don't you ever forget sunscreen. Even though you have skin whitening lotion already on your skin, but you still got to use sunscreen. Heavy on sunscreen, because what's the purpose of brightening your skin, lightening your skin, and then turns out you're gonna be like a lobster at the end of the day, right? So no. When you use whitening soap or any sort of skin brightening, your skin tends to be on the sensitive side. So to prevent that, make sure you are protected with sunscreen. Again, sunscreen. To effectively whitens your skin, make sure that you effectively follow the steps. First is proper use of soap, 3 to 5 minutes, the bathroom, that's it. Don't go overboard because you might get a skin burn, okay, or irritation like that. Second, moisturize your skin. And third, you got to also like exfoliate like maybe once or twice a week to get rid of any excess skin over time. So it will help improving also skin, new skin. Fourth, of course, sunscreen. And also fifth one, really makes it really effective, is stay away from the sun. I do have a problem with prolong under the sun. If I understand, I have to have a hat on, umbrella, or if you have long sleeve to protect your skin. So from just be safe, so you're not gonna be like a shrimp or lobster at the end of the day. Okay, so would I recommend Kojie San in improving your skin, whitening your skin? Is it effectively whitens the skin? Yes. Okay, effectively whitens, improves the skin. I am happy about it. So it's one of my favorite soap out here in the Philippines. It's very convenient, affordable, and I'm recommending you guys. And also, if you are in outside or abroad, it's already out there. For USA, Flawless Beauty International is carrying this, so check them out. Flawless Beauty International, check them out. And I guess that's it. This is all my thoughts about Kojie San, and I am happy about it. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.